flicker inside, a light in the mist. The ghost in the library couldn't resist. Is it the words or the stories untold, warming a heart that's forever cold? It turns the pages, hands unseen, fiction, fact, and worlds between. A faint hum hums, a spectral sigh, as chapters turn beneath the sky. Does it linger, does it stay, or vanish at the break of day? A flicker inside,